Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you one cool effect, one amazing effect. Are you guys ready? Sarah said one. So I'm going to teach you 2, 3, maybe many effects on this video. So just stay tuned. I promise you're going to enjoy it. Like some sweet transitions, some superhero effects. Want to be like the Superman, the Spider-Man? I'll be teaching you those in this video. Just make sure you watch to the end there. You open your CapCut, click on new project, and let's select one of the footage. This one. So let's start with the transition. Transition is the intro to a new video. You can see this video now. Okay, so we'll add the second clip. We add, let me say, different clip. Let's add this one. So now for this video to fade out and this one to fade in, we need a transition, the cool transition. And in CapCut we have a lot of transition here. You can check them out. You see the cool transitions. You can shake it off. Just play around with the transition. You can reduce the duration, like if you want it to occur fast or you want it to occur slow. You see it. So those are some cool effects. Check the basics. If you want this type, you just play with them. This is transition. So that's transition, is that simple. Can I add another clip again? You can resize it, make it bigger, then add your own transition again. Add anyone, like you can add this one. See, cool transitions. Then the second thing I'm going to teach you is some cool effects. So let's import one of our clip. If I want to do the Superman eyes, simply click on effect, body effect, click on superpower. You can see it. Sarah said one. Sarah, I have pink eyes. Sounds amazing. Let me shoot my lasers. Let me shoot the blue laser. Sarah said one. What about the red laser? Sarah said one. I'm going to teach you. What about shooting the lightning, like the flash?